everyone, Gabby here, and one of my favorite cosplays from 2020, as weird as it was for cosplaying, was Klara from Pokemon, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my cosplay makeup for her, because I think this makeup is super fun and really just perfect for so many characters. But here we are, me, facially naked, for you. And so I'm just going to start by coloring my brows. I'm mixing these two pinks together to kind of get the right shade of pink. And then before even I put the color in, I brush through my brows and then just shove the color in my brows with an angled brush. If you have darker brows or you want the color to be more pronounced, I recommend putting like a white cream shadow over your brows first, or if you want to like fully block out your brows, you can do that too. I don't have the skill to do either of those, and therefore you got my brows looking like this. So here are my pink brows. I swear, every time I get into cosplay, you like look at yourself with your colored brows and like your normal colored hair, and it's just a look. Now I'm just struggling to get my eyeshadow primer out, and I'm just gonna plop that on my lids. This just will help the colors appear more vibrant and stay on longer. Then I'm just taking like a beige powder and I'm just gonna pat that all over my lids, up to the brow bone, all over the lid, the inner corner too, and just get that all over the area to create like a base. And then, in case you're wondering, I have a mirror right over there, and that's what I was looking at instead of like holding all my palettes and everything. So first we are going to go in with this light lilac shade, and I'm just going to, don't even look at how I'm holding my palettes, ignore that, look at the eyeshadow. I'm just putting it all over my lid, and we're gonna blend it up into the crease as well, just really lightly to get a nice purple wash is what we're going for. So while my eyeshadow is blending, I'm just curious, did any of you play Sword and Shield or any Pokemon games? Let me know what your favorite Pokemon game is, or even your favorite Pokemon. I would love to discuss. You all know I love Piplup and Vulpix are like probably top 2, but I could go on and on and on about my favorite Pokemon. Then I'm taking that same lilac and putting it under my eye, connecting it to the upper lid as well. Also, if you're wondering what circle lenses I'm wearing the Super Crystal Blue from iFairy, I believe is the brand. Then I'm taking a mid-tone purple and putting that in my crease. This will just give extra definition to the eyes. And then taking a fluffy brush, I'm just blending, blending, and blending. Just gonna keep blending. If all else fails, keep blending. And then that same purple, I'm just putting it on the outer part of my eye. Not going as far in as I did with the lilac, but just keeping the area dark towards the outermost area. Then just taking a deep purple, I am very lightly tapping it on the outermost part of my eye. And doing the same on the other side. And then I'm very lightly blending it together along with putting it on the bottom. I don't want it to be too intense. Now all my lashes and liner I'm going to do off camera because I'm really bad at liquid eyeliner, so I will be right back. Wow! I'm serious. Lashes and liner make such a difference. It just makes it all look better. So I'm just taking this shimmery pink color and I am popping it on the center of my eyelid just to add some extra definition and just make the eyes look rounder. And then I'm taking like a shimmery pinky champagne color and I am gonna go in and apply it all over the inner corner of my eye and along the lower lash line area to just make the whole eye look brighter and wider. This especially makes such a difference in photos. Like, truly, if I ever forget this, my eyes look so tired in photos, but this really helps brighten them up and make them look just more open. Then I'm taking a super pink blush and I am applying it like crazy on my face. Not that I think Klara would be constantly covered in blush, but to me it suits her, so I'm just applying blush generously all over my cheeks. And I'm applying it up around like my eye temple area and then bringing it down to like the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm just going to lightly brush it on the tip of my nose. I think it just adds some extra color. And now I'm gonna go put on the wig. We will be back with the wig. Wow, a wig! And my bow. I love that bow. My friend made me the bow, and it's like my favorite thing ever. All right, now I'm just going on with my lips, and I'm putting on a like hot pink lip stain. It's like a balm stain. I'm just gonna go blot that off camera because I realized I forgot to bring tissues with me. And here I am putting on my white fluffy coat. This is not real fur, not that I would ever buy real fur, but it's my white fluffy coat for Klara. And the glove, she only has one glove. Don't ask me why. I didn't choose this design, Pokemon did. And my little Pokeball. So let's just appreciate me fully in cosplay for way too long. I hope you all enjoyed this cosplay makeup tutorial. If you have any questions about my Klara cosplay, let me know in the comments. If I get enough questions, I will totally make a video all about how I put together this cosplay, because there's a lot of things going on, a lot that went into this. Not that I made it. I did not make this. Please don't think that I made this cosplay fully. I did not. But I really love cosplaying Klara, and I hope you all either learned something or just enjoyed watching me do my makeup. Yeah, I don't know what else to say here. I'm just watching myself pose awkwardly. Thank you. Bye!